This is the Bank Nifty daily charts. Green candle formed after a drop of Friday's open. Friday opened up, gap down, went down, and made a considerable recovery on the daily charts, potentially indicating a reversal sign. Another plus point was the fact that the market started touching its 20-day moving average, which is usually a sign of support. So, that's an interesting thing. But coming to the 15-minute charts, what ended up happening for us was we had said that 37,300 was a critical level. The market opened up below that and it tested our next support at 37,000. And since this big move was made in the beginning, we were waiting for it to either cover the gap or have a breakdown before starting to add positions for the week's trade. But since that didn't happen, we decided to just take it easy and not actually trade. So overall, we kind of took it easy, did some other work that was needed for the business. Uh, Market closed at 37 to 25. Now our plan for tomorrow is this. It's interesting. Like if you look at the weekly average, um, because new week, new month, overall the market's still looking fairly upwards, right? Markets are creating higher lows and higher highs month on month, right? So it's an interesting sign. Markets are still looking on a weekly charts fairly bullish. On a daily charts, however, this downtrend continues, reach this again showing a potential upward sign. On the 15-minute chart is a slightly different story. You can see that it opened up, gap down, broke this support, went, took support of the lower level, and struggled to sort of come back to 37,300 odd levels. So the gap is still open, which is one thing that we're looking out to get covered for tomorrow. So if we were to plan our trade, we would definitely say that the gap around 37,400 odd should be covered. Let's see what happens around here in order for us to start thinking the market will move upwards. On the downside or other supports, if I were to draw another trend line, I still think 37 900 odd levels is a good support, the low of Friday's trade. Another interesting support, again, not a really strong one, was kind of how the market traded on Friday. You see a big candle, 50% of that is usually what we consider either support or resistance. And you can see how the market traded just around this 50%, struggling to break 37,300. So 37,300 is sort of the critical resistance. And if I were to assume or predict what tomorrow's sort of range might be, I would definitely think it might be between 37,400 and 37,900. Now, if it breaks 37,900, we've got a support again at 36,650, right, which is a considerable downtrend. So if I were to mark, I can see another big candle here. So just for indication's sake, I would think 36,750 might be another potential support that we can see. But um, a plan or rather range for tomorrow is definitely going to be 37,000 to 37,400 or 36,900 to be clearer to 37,400. Overall, we're going to wait and see what happens. Global cues are all looking up. Markets on the daily charts is looking upwards, but intraday is looking slightly weak. So we want to wait to see what happens, start building our positions, and then maximize it so that we can end our week in profit.